Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain about the very important library of Python that is called NumPy. Uh, we have talked already about pandas. That is also a very important library of Python. When you are working with Python, you need normally these two very important libraries, pandas and NumPy. We already explained about pandas, and the link to that video is mentioned in the description of this video. So you can see that you can do all these things while using NumPy. Use of NumPy, you can do arithmetic operation, statistical operation, and copying and weaving arrays, taking arithmetic operation, linear algebra, and yeah, a lot of things, mathematical operation. So you are doing these things with the help of NumPy. You need to call NumPy, and you already know that how you can call NumPy. So let's open let's open Anaconda, and then I will, yes, because I already talk about Anaconda that is provide multiple options to use Python like Spider, like PyCharm, and like other IDE for Python. Even you can use RStudio as well in Anaconda. So this is providing multiple options you can use. And if you want to see briefly about NumPy, just Google it and you will see. So briefly you can see NumPy, and you can see powerful n-dimensional array, fast and versatile define the NumPy factorization indexing. So you can see you can use for a lot of purposes. And if you see like this, what is NumPy? So you can see detail about this. So when you are doing with this type of numerical, statistical, or linear algebra and this type of operation, you need to call NumPy in the Python environment. So this is now Anaconda, and usually I'm using Spider. You can see different option. Even you can see RStudio as well. So this is a flexible, environment. Just launch. And when you are dealing, when you're talking about these things, when you are dealing with these things in Python, you will see that you are not calling NumPy like import NumPy as NP or whatever, and you are not using this properly, this NumPy, you will see you will be unable to work with such type of operations. Okay, I will explain this later, but how you can call this like import NumPy as NP, and then you can use NP. So I'll just call it, clear this by Control L. Now Control S. So it is already working. And remember that if you don't have already installed this, you can install this by pip install NumPy. So you can install like this by using this command. If it is not already installed on your computer, so this is the command. And I will just tell you that if suppose I'm generating a random number from normal distribution, just ignore about this now because I already have this, but this is the command. You can install this by using this command. Not this one, this one, pip install NumPy. Okay, so this, suppose I will explain this in detail with the title generating random numbers from normal distribution, or you can do other distribution as well. But suppose I'm doing this x1 np.random dot normal. I already called NumPy, so this will work. But let's suppose close this and now try again this. then you will see this will not work. So you need to call this before doing such type of operations. You need to call this call, you can say import NumPy as NP, and then you can work with dimension tasks. Okay, so now let's try this again. Okay, no, name NP is not defined. So this means that when I'm doing such type of operations, I need to call NumPy. And if you want to run this, you want to run this command in the other way. Like without NP, yeah, of course, this will be, yeah, Zerata, we are not random. It's not working actually. So you need to call NumPy. I mentioned here this one. So you can click NumPy is working now, and you can now use upper arrow key to go back to the command. Yeah, this one. This is just like the previous this one, but I just remove NP. So now you can see x1 is equal to np.random.normal, and this will generate a random number from normal distribution with mean 5, standard deviation 1, and 100 values. And if you want to see, just write x1 the values. Yeah, so these are the values. It's around a 5, little more or less, because the mean is 5, standard deviation is 1, and the number are 100. So this is on about what is NumPy, how you can that install it, and how you can use it, and for what purpose you can use this. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Ciao.